Hello guys, it is FluffySez here, back at another video for you guys today. We're going to be talking about Oculus's return policy, because the return policy really is not that clear, which is why I'm going to be talking about it in today's video. Today's video is a super short one, running you about 2 minutes, and I'm basically just going to be saying what exactly is the return policy, because I have searched far and wide and can't get a clear result, as Facebook says different things, Oculus says different things, and the retailer you're buying it from could also have different things. So take everything I say with a grain of salt, as your retailer may be different, as well as how Oculus is feeling on that day. But with that being said, after doing a lot of research and looking into stuff, Oculus themselves say after 60 days, we can no longer send you your product for no cost if you need to return it. With that being said though, on multiple occasions have I sent back my stuff and had it returned. I had to send back one of my controllers. My right controller was making a really weird noise when I first got it with the Oculus Quest original, and I had to send that one back. I sent that one back within 2 months, I would say, about buying my Oculus Quest, and they were able to happily send me a brand new one free of charge. They even paid for shipping. Now, with my Oculus Quest, I was having some problems later in its life, about 6 months later, and they were actually willing to give me a new headset if I couldn't get things working, which I thought was amazing. This, of course, was 6 months later, so the reason they were doing this was unknown to me because they said their return policy was about 60 days. At the same time, though, the Oculus pamphlet thing that comes with your Oculus Quest says about 2 years. So it's really unclear where things are, but I think as long as you're within a 2-year span of your headset, you'll be able to get it returned. Most recently, my Oculus Quest 2 charging port was acting up and not allowing me to use Oculus Link. I reached out to Oculus support, and within about a week, they said, sure, we'll take it and send you a brand new one. I got my Quest 2 back when it released in September, and now it is near the end of December, meaning it's been about 2 months. With that being said, they were still willing to take my full headset. They took all my controllers as well, and they're sending me a brand new set of the Oculus Quest 2. So in conclusion, you're probably going to be able to get your headset and controllers returned if you're ever having an issue. Oculus would much rather you have the headset and the controllers so you can actually play games and pay them more money, as all the games go through the Oculus store. As well as that, they're also tracking all of your data, and so having you have a headset is good for them in the long run, as it costs them like $50 to fix and send back out, and they get tons of money off of your data and you buying games. So in the long run, if you are having problems with your headset, definitely contact Oculus support and try and get a new one. With that being said, take everything I say with a grain of salt. I am not 100%. I did not reach out to Oculus specifically in this video. This is just my 2 cents about what's actually going on in need of a return. With that being said though, if this video helped you out at all, hit that like button down below. And if you want to see more by me, subscribe and ding that notification bell. If you want to support me, you can become a member like my little lettuces, my bear cubs, and my mama bears. Absolute mad lads. With that being said, I will see you on the next one. Peace out, everybody. Bye-bye.